Oh my god. Ow.
Hi everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing well. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys already know by the title of this video, today I'll be sharing with you a Plum goodness haul. Okay, so these are the two boxes that I got in PR, and also I've ordered about 2 to 3 products from their website. So let's start with the products that I bought, because there are a couple of items, about 2 to 3 products, and then let's move on to the products that I got in PR. Okay, so let's get started, and all of them are repurchased. So if you are an OG subscriber, you probably know and you have an idea, because these are the products that I keep on buying. So this is their rice water and niacinamide serum. This is their 10% niacinamide serum, and oh my god, this is such a beautiful product. I would highly recommend this one. And also this is fragrance free. I love using it in every alternative night, and you guys know that I try a lot of skincare products, so sometimes it happens that my skin gets irritated a lot. That's when it comes handy, and I use it anyway. And they also have a frosted face mask. I will put the picture right here. I don't remember the name exactly, but oh my god, that face mask is amazing. It's so hydrating and so calming on the skin. Especially if you have irritated skin, you should try that one out. And yeah, this is something I absolutely love. Highly recommend this one. If you have pigmented skin, if you have acne prone skin or oily skin, or if you have pore issues, try this one. Now let's move on to the next product, and this is their hair mask. So this is the Plum Avocado Nourish Up hair mask. You are getting 250 grams of product in it, and I don't really remember the price of it. I will leave it on the screen. This is such a beautiful hair mask. This keeps your hair so soft, smooth and shiny. And also if you have scalp issues, you should try this one out. Also, let me tell you something. I absolutely love their aloe vera gel as my hair mask, and aloe vera gel is something you can use it on your hair, on your skin. It feels so hydrating, so calming and so soothing on the skin. It feels like you are taking out aloe vera gel from the plant itself, and it's fragrance free. I absolutely love their aloe vera gel. So if you want to try aloe vera gel as your hair mask, try the Plum one. Then the next product is this one, and oh my god, I've been using this product from past 2 to 3 years maybe. I don't even remember. I have finished so many bottles of this. So this is the Plum green tea alcohol free toner. I swear by this particular toner, and if you want glowy skin, just try this one out. Now I'm not really sure it's fragrance free or not. I think it's not, but it has glycolic acid, and if you use it every single night, you will definitely see the difference in about 10 to 15 days, I'm sure. I love this particular toner, and I just can't do without this one. So yeah, I had to get this one. It retails for 390 rupees, and you are getting 200 ml of product, and I'm sure that I got it on discount, because whenever I'm purchasing something from Plum's website, I use my own coupon code, because I have a coupon code. And while I'm purchasing something from their website and I have a coupon code, then why not using it, right? So yeah, I use my own coupon code. First of all guys, this is not a sponsored video, and just to let you know, if you are purchasing anything from Plum Goodness website, you can use my coupon code and you will get extra 10% off. The coupon code is flashing on the screen right now. Okay, so let's get started with the first box that I have right here, and as you guys can see, I have so many products in here. So let me just quickly go through one by one. Now guys, whenever I see someone unboxing products, it makes me so excited. Now I have stopped using unboxing products because of COVID, because safety first. But guys, I generally miss unboxing products. Now let's get started. So the first product that I have is this one. This is their 1.5% vitamin C and Mandarin toner. Now I love using their vitamin C serum. It gives so much glow and so much hydration to the skin, but I haven't tried their vitamin C toner yet. I love their serum. So yeah, I'm super excited to try this one out. I think I have another of their vitamin C toner. I'm not sure. I don't know where I kept it. Okay, moving on to the next product, and this is their Grape Seed and Sea Buckthorn Glow Resto Facial Oil Blend. This has vitamin C and vitamin E, and this is gonna help in cell regrowth and regeneration, and this is gonna repair your skin's natural barrier. I haven't tried it. I will definitely try it and let you guys know. Then the next product that I got is their Tea Tree Build Up Control Scalp Scrub. This is fragrance free. Now this is quite new to me. I haven't tried any scalp scrub yet, so I'm super excited to try this one out. Then the next product that I have, I guess this is their newest launch. So this is their Mandarin and 3% vitamin C, 3% peptide and 3% caffeine eye cream. This is gonna reduce puffiness and dark circles. I'm super excited to try this one out because I haven't tried any under eye cream that has vitamin C in it. So yeah, I'm very excited, and also this is fragrance free, which is a really good thing. Then I got a beautiful nail paint from their Color Affair range, and oh my god, this is so pretty. Can you guys see how beautiful it looks? And this is in the number 159. This is such a beautiful blackcurrant shade, and also the name is blackcurrant. So yeah, I absolutely love it, and I would highly recommend this one. I also have another shade from this particular range. I really like this particular nail paints. They dry really fast and they are quite long wearing. So yeah, highly recommend this. Then I've received their Matte in Heaven liquid lipstick. This is in the number 127. I'm not gonna open this because I've already received the entire range and I've already done a dedicated video on these lipsticks. So I will link it right here. Just go and check it out. I'm gonna keep it for a giveaway. Now I was super excited to try this one out, and this is the BodyLovin Deodorizing Pit Cream. This is in the variant Hawaiian Rumba. So this is how the tub looks like, and this is how the actual product looks like. Now it comes with a spatula, so you have to take out the product and apply it on your underarms. I have used it just once. Now I'm not gonna say that this is a bad product or something like that. I'm not gonna say that, but I was super excited to try this one out, and this is not up to the mark. To me, this is an okay product. So if you want, you can try this because the fragrance is really nice. But the spatula thing, you have to just take it out and then apply. The entire process is quite tedious to me, so this is not something I would highly recommend. I hope you are getting my point. Then the next product that I have is the green tea oil free moisturizer. This is the fragrance free moisturizer. I absolutely love it. This is highly recommended for oily skin and in the summer season. This is a really good moisturizer. Plus this is fragrance free, this is oil free, and also I believe it has niacinamide and squalene. Yeah, it has squalene, it has niacinamide. This has sodium hyaluronate, which is hyaluronic acid. Yeah, overall a really nice product. Now the next product is very useful for me because I get dandruff, and this is their tea tree dandruff fighting scalp serum. This is fragrance free. I've already tried one of their scalp serum, which is so amazing. I don't remember the name exactly. I will put a picture right here so that you guys can check it out. Now I'm super excited for this one because I really like their tea tree range, and I get dandruff. It retails for 650 rupees. Oh my god. And you are getting 110 ml of product in it, but if it works, then I would say that it's totally worth it. And the last item I have in this particular box is this one. This is the green tea pore cleansing face wash. I have used about 5-6 tubes of this one. I love this particular face wash. I use it whenever I'm traveling. I don't know, I have some sort of faith on this particular face wash because whenever I'm traveling I carry this. I just feel safe with this particular face wash. I know that this is not gonna break me out, and whenever you are traveling there is a lot of dust and pollution, so I love this particular one for that purpose. And it has green tea extract and glycolic acid, which I absolutely love. So yeah, if you have oily acne prone skin, highly recommend this one. Now I'm going to share with you what I have in this particular box, and first of all I kept it for about 1 or 2 months because I just wanted to share with you how it looks like. Look at the packaging. Oh my god, it's so pretty, and whenever I receive this kind of PR boxes, it makes me feel so special. Now they have recently launched their caramel popcorn range, and I received the products in PR a couple of months back. I think it's about 1 or 1.5 months back. And when you open the box, I hope you guys can see there are 3 products in here. So let me just quickly show you one by one, and whenever you open the box, it smells amazing. So the first product that I have is the caramel popcorn hand cream, and look at the packaging. It looks so cute. I just love it, and it smells amazing. It's already sealed, okay, and still it smells like heaven. It smells very sweet, so I would recommend it for winter season, not for the summer. but it smells delicious, you guys. So this is how the hand cream looks like, and oh my god, you guys, it smells like heaven. But I would recommend it for winter season. The fragrance it has, it's specially reminds me of the winter season because it's warm, it's caramelly, it's sweet. So highly recommend for winter season. And in winter we get dry hands, but thanks to COVID now we get dry hands throughout the year because we have to wash our hands very frequently. So yeah, this is really nice. I haven't tried any hand creams from them, so this is the first hand cream that I got, and it smells and feels amazing. Then the next product that I got is their BodyLovin body wash in the shade Caramel Popcorn. And can you guys take a moment and appreciate their packaging? Oh my god, Plum know their products and how to package them properly, so that there are few products their packaging is not that catchy, but when it comes to Plum, I absolutely love their packaging. But I'm gonna keep it for the winter season because it has that warm caramelly sweet fragrance that I'm gonna absolutely enjoy in the winter season. So yeah. And lastly, I got their Caramel Popcorn scented candle, and yeah, it smells exactly the same, and I love the packaging, to be very honest. Anyway, thank you so much Plum Goodness for sending these products over. I'm more than grateful, and thank you guys so much for watching this particular video. Definitely let me know in the comment section below if you find this video helpful or not. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribing is for free. It doesn't cost you anything, but it will help me a lot. And all of the product details and links will be mentioned in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.